Add equal amounts of starch and powdered sugar to the melted mass. Mix it to get slime. Put in a little candied fruit. Pull up the slime, cut it, and put the parts one after another into the donut. Join the parts. Redhead cracks the secret of her donut immediately. And there is nothing interesting in my dessert, but my friend will certainly share her slime with me. It can stretch out. This donut will be enough for 2 of us. Bubblegum after a meal is exactly what we need. Freshen up your breath with Orbit, but it's actually Orbit slime in our case. Add 6 tablespoons of water to 3 spoons of tapioca balls. Add pink food coloring. Mix it. Put it into a microwave for 1 minute. Open the microwave every 15 seconds and mix the tapioca. Take the mixture out when it thickens. Add some water so that the slime doesn't stick to your hands. It loses its stickiness at once. Roll the slime in tapioca pearls. Put it into a big Orbit bubblegum jar. You can make anything you want with this bubblegum. The truth is that playing with this slime is way better than tasting it. The regular Orbits taste better. And it is healthier for your teeth. Redhead arranges fishing right in the house. Where is she going to fish? In a sink? No, in a home fish tank made out of clear slime. Gummy banana fish is her first catch. It tastes great. Let's make clear edible slime. Add 2 cups of water to 1 cup of tapioca starch. Mix it and put it in a microwave. Take it out each 15 seconds and stir. Check it until the slime thickens and turns transparent. The melted tapioca is tacky. This is why we add some water, and it stops being tacky at once. Put the slime into a big clear jar. The transparent slime stretches out nicely. You can spread it over the sides of the jar easily. Create an effect of a fish tank filled with water. Attach gummy fish to the slime. While Redhead is deep into her fishing, I take all the tacky water out of the fish tank. It can stretch out perfectly. Have I become an empress of water? But the clear slime doesn't taste so good. Gummy fish is way more delicious, so we do not recommend drinking the water out of the fish tank. But you can play with it as much as you want. Small Skittles are out of fashion. Everyone is into giant sweets now. This Maxi Skittles candy is made from stretchy slime. Sort out chewy candies according to colors. Melt them in a microwave. Add equal amounts of starch and powdered sugar into each color. Mix it and make 3 slimes of different colors. Join the slimes to make one big candy. Shape a ball. Cover a big printed Skittles label with clear tape. Sprinkle the slime ball with starch or powdered sugar. Wrap it in the Maxi wrapper. This is so much fun! We are having a lot of fun playing with this Skittles slime. We'll never be able to do it with regular Skittles. We can stretch it out to make a whole rainbow, and I can eat a piece of it. My friends will certainly appreciate it. I've got an unusual Kinder Surprise, especially for Redhead. She can never pass by someone else's yummy. She notices the lonely Kinder immediately. She opens it up, takes the spoon out as usual, but there is some strange slime instead of the regular filling. Open up Kinder Joy. Take the contents out. Leave the empty shells. Put 2 bowls with marshmallows into a microwave. Add equal amounts of starch and powdered sugar to the melted mass. Mix it to get white slime. Add Nutella to the second portion of the melted marshmallow and make brown slime. Put the colorful slimes into the shell. Stretch out the border with a toothpick. Hot glue the foil and join the two parts of the Kinder Joy. What happened to this Kinder Surprise? Did it melt under the hot sun? Not at all. I show my friend what the matter is. It's Kinder Joy slime. There is a real surprise egg. You can play with this slime as well as with a regular toy, and you can also eat it afterwards. Did you like our stretchy ideas? Then write in your comments which slime you would like to make. A whole bucket of McFlurry, Kinder Surprise slime, or will you arrange real fishing in transparent tapioca slime? And don't forget to give your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss new sweet and sticky ideas on the Troom Troom channel.